welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. This is the second video of my DJI series, and I hope you all like my first video. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you to watch it because that's very important before you go through. I would love if you would watch my videos chronologically, because then you would be able to understand what I'm speaking about more clearly. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the DJI Fly app, which is the app you need to download to fly any drone of DJI's. So without any further ado, let's get started. Main things in the DJI Fly app is how to download it. So now, since DJI is banned in India and I'm in India, so for an Android users like me, we have to download an APK file which is offered by DJI, and this is how you do it. If you go to Google, you search DJI Fly app download. Go to the DJI Download Center, official DJI app, as it's written DJI.com on the top. And now, okay, I'm gonna sign in. Now, it's clearly written. This is for all the DJI models as written. Now you can press download Android APK, and this is harmful. Download anyway because as DJI is banned in India. APK is the only way to get to the Indian market. So now you can the file must be downloading. Yeah, that's how you download it. Now I'm going to show you how to. I will show you how to. If you're done downloading, for iOS users, you can just download it in the Play Store. So you first open the DJI Fly. It's gonna take some time. Okay, now you go to, if there's any updates, please update them. Now you go to connection guide and you select the model you have. In this case, mine is a Mavic Mini, and it's going to tell you what to do. So you install the joysticks on, and then take out the antennas, place your phone, everything. So that's all we know. Now I go to the camera view to look at how what the camera is doing and how the view of the camera. Now, since my remote and the aircraft is not connected yet, I'm just showing you this. This is GPS, which is really smart. So as I'm in block 3, Mahuvihanga, right? So yeah, it's showing me where exactly I am, and you can. Okay, so I'm going to go to so now I press the three dots on the top, and now there's everything you need to know, all the settings. So there's auto RTH altitude, there is max altitude, you can set limits for yourself, and then there is max distance. There's everything you really need to know, right? There's calibrations about the battery, how many cycles, find my drone, advanced safety settings. We have the flight mode, which mode, cine slow, positions normal, and sports is fast. The units, the display, you can zoom in and zoom out. The gimbal, you can change the gimbal mode, and then allow upward gimbal rotation if you want it to go, like if it's 180 degrees, you want it to go above. So yeah, and then gimbal calibration and all these things about camera, aspect ratio, transmissions, and everything you really need to know is in this app. So now as now you know about the app, let's get back into knowing how to connect your DJI Fly app, your phone, to the remote controller and drone. Stop. Okay guys, coming to the third part, how to connect your mobile phone to the drone. So first, let's keep the phone aside, and let's keep the box aside. Let's go let's take this out. Let's open the joysticks, open this controller. Let's take out our connector and let's connect one of the port to the phone. Let's keep the phone in place. Move this to the side. Let's keep the phone in place like that. Perfect. And then now let's connect it to the remote controller like that, and then make this these things straight. So now the phone is connected. Now the next thing which is left to do is to on the phone and everything. So let's take out our drone, and I'm also going to be doing something really special. I'm going to be turning on the propellers for you guys, just for you. So I'm going to on this drone. It's going to calibrate itself really quickly. I'm going to keep this box aside too. I'm going to keep the drone like this. You know what? Something like this. As you can see, the gimbal is moving. It's one of the best gimbals in the world, as I told you. And it's on our remote controller. And now the remote is on. Just sure to give a symbol that is charging. Perfect. Now we go to the. I'm controlling the gimbal. Yeah. Now, as you can see, it's seen. You can see me use the gimbal to move the camera up and down. Really quickly, yeah. And it's written take off with caution, no GPS, because there is no GPS. And there is my hand locking the drone like this. Hello? Yeah, now I'm going to be turning on the propellers. So let's move this aside. Let's come back. I'm a little scared. So what we do is we take both of these both of these joysticks and put them down inside, right? Put them inside. So let's do 3, 2, 1, go. As you can see, the drone is turned on, the propellers only. And if you want to turn it off, just use the left joystick and turn it down and put it down, and that's the drone off. As I said, if you want to fly it indoors, mostly in indoor spaces, it's recommended to get the propeller guard so the drone doesn't get damaged, and so does the walls. But now, since I don't have the propeller guards, it's quite dangerous, and yeah, might hurt somebody too when they keep their finger. So that is that. I've showed you guys how to on the propellers, and you press this button on the side left, and you long press this for takeoff. I'm not pressing that, obviously, and the auto takeoff, the aircraft will automatically take off to an altitude of 1.2 meters. Avoid taking off in confined spaces or crowds like this. 1 meter, we are about here and they're asking us not to take off. And you need GPS signal to fly this, otherwise the stability is going to be really low. So let's off this before any battery will get drained. That is how you connect the DJI drone to the mobile device, right? So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and like I said before, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot, that supports me. Write in the comments down below about what you liked about this video, any other you can give me any feedbacks. I'll surely improve on it, and you can tell me what you want me to make a video on, and I will try my best to make it. Thank you all for watching. Hope this found it informative. Again, I'm going to tell you guys, this is a very important video, so make sure that you follow this completely. And next video is going to be even more interesting, so please so thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.